Good morning, everyone. Welcome to KE Kitchen Cabinets Company Profile Presentation. Let's start with a view of our factory in Dongguan, China. We're proud to be a dedicated manufacturer with a focus on quality, innovation, and global service. Let's begin by looking at today's presentation overview. Here's a quick overview of today's presentation. I'll introduce our company, our team, factory facilities, service scope, key markets, business process, and what sets KE apart. We'll also review our product strengths, compliance, our unique value points, case studies, FAQs, and leave time for your questions at the end. To start, I'd like to give you a brief introduction to our company and what we stand for. Let me start by introducing KE Kitchen Cabinets. We are a specialist OEM and ODM manufacturer, established in 2010, based in Dongguan, China, with a 10,000 square meters factory. Our main products include kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, vanities, interior wood cabinets, and stone benchtops. We focus on export manufacturing, working with builders, contractors, and distributors worldwide, and are certified for major global markets. Our strengths include factory pre-assembly, rapid quotation, and comprehensive after-sales service. We pride ourselves on partnering closely with our clients throughout every project stage, ensuring their needs are fully met from design to after-sales. Our key export markets are Australia, New Zealand, the US, Canada, the Middle East, and South America. Our slogan is, "Your trusted partner for global cabinet solutions." Now, let me introduce our core management and project team. Here's our core management team. Eddie is our team leader, overseeing company operations and managing key client relationships. Dong serves as production manager, responsible for production scheduling, technical supervision, and strict quality control. David Du is in charge of production and design management, focusing on shop drawings, process optimization, and technical solutions to ensure every project meets standards. Linda Chan is our contract administrator, handling all contracts, commercial documents, and customer account management. With this experienced team, we ensure seamless project delivery, smooth communication, and responsive service for every client. Next, let's move from our people to our production capability, starting with the joinery workshop. Now let's take a look at our joinery workshop. Our factory is equipped with modern, automated machinery for panel cutting, edge banding, drilling, and assembly, supporting both high-precision and large-scale production. We strictly follow international quality and safety standards, and our team is highly experienced in serving export projects worldwide. The video here shows our production environment in action. Please click play if you'd like to view the process. In addition to general joinery, we have dedicated automated lines for edge banding and drilling, which I'll show you now. Here you can see our advanced automated edge banding and drilling lines in operation. These machines are key to our high production efficiency and accuracy, allowing us to process panels quickly and consistently to meet project specifications. Our automated lines support large-scale projects while ensuring every piece meets strict quality standards. The video demonstrates how our team and equipment work together to deliver precise and reliable results for every custom order. Let's continue with another important part of our production, the two-pack painting room. Our dedicated two-pack painting room is equipped with a professional spraying booth, advanced ventilation, and strict environmental controls. This ensures every cabinet door receives a smooth, premium finish that meets both high durability standards and the most demanding design requirements. All surfaces are carefully inspected for gloss, color consistency, and scratch resistance, so we can deliver top-quality, custom-finished products for every project. After painting, we move on to assembly and export standard packing to ensure safe delivery. This area is dedicated to the final assembly and export standard packing of all products. Before packing, we fully assemble each cabinet and lay out all components according to the project's drawings, allowing for a thorough quality check of dimensions, appearance, hardware, and overall fit. Our QC team inspects every detail to ensure products are complete and flawless. We use export-grade packaging, including 6-sided foam protection and reinforced wooden crates, to minimize transport risk. The entire inspection and packing process is recorded on video for transparency and traceability. We share these updates with our clients and publish highlights on our social media channels. These strict procedures guarantee that every order arrives safely and is installation ready on site. Alongside joinery, we also have an integrated benchtop production base. Let me show you how that works. We also operate a dedicated benchtop production base, fully integrated with our joinery lines. Our facility is equipped for advanced processing of quartz, free silica stone, marble, and granite, covering precise cutting, edge profiling, and all required fabrication for residential and commercial projects. Every benchtop undergoes strict dimensional and surface checks before packaging, ensuring seamless installation on site. For compliance and test documentation, we'll share more details in the following sections. Now that you've seen our facilities, I'd like to highlight some of our core product strengths. This page provides a quick summary of KE's core product strengths. Compliance. All of our materials strictly meet major international environmental standards, including E0, ENF, P2, and CARB2 for safe and healthy use in all export markets. Outdoor durability. We offer fully waterproof and weather-resistant solutions for outdoor and barbecue projects. Finish and design flexibility. Clients can choose from a full range of finishes and door profiles, flat, shaker, slim shaker, or custom, to suit any design. In summary, KE provides proven technical compliance, rich material options, and flexible design choices, making us a reliable partner for all your cabinetry and benchtop needs. Building on these strengths, compliance is at the heart of everything we do. Here are our certifications and test reports. Compliance is a top priority for KE. All our products meet major international standards such as E0/ENF, CARB2, and P2. Our benchtops are fully compliant with the latest Australian regulations, and we can provide third-party test reports for every shipment. Below is our certification from NATA, an accredited laboratory in Australia. We ensure every shipment is tested for compliance with the latest Australian standards, and third-party reports can be provided on request. With full compliance and certified quality, let's look at the complete range of products and services we offer. Our service scope covers a complete range of joinery products, including kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, bathroom vanities, laundry and storage cabinets, as well as customized joinery. We offer a full selection of finishes such as melamine, laminate, PET, PVC, two-pot painting, and natural veneer to meet any design requirement. For stone benchtops, we provide quartz, free silica stone, marble, and granite, supporting all types of residential and commercial projects. Next, I'll introduce the clients we serve and the markets we export to worldwide. Our main clients include builders, contractors, and distributors across Australia, New Zealand, North America, the Middle East, and Africa. We are committed to long-term partnerships and offer tailored export solutions for different markets. Our priorities include transparent communication, technical support, strict quality control, and on-time delivery, ensuring a smooth experience from quotation to after-sales. With that in mind, here's what you can expect when working with KE, the business procedure from initial contact to final delivery. Here is an overview of our business procedure, designed to ensure a clear, worry-free experience from your first inquiry to final delivery and beyond. We start with the quotation stage. Simply send us your drawings and requirements, and our sales team will provide a tailored quote. Our technical team reviews all project details, and we send material samples for your confirmation before moving forward. Next is contract and order confirmation. We finalize all terms, sign the contract, and receive a deposit. Our engineers prepare detailed shop drawings and confirm all final materials. During production and delivery, our factory schedules production and performs multiple quality checks. Before packing, we fully assemble and lay out all products according to your final drawings for a last inspection. The entire process is recorded on video, and we share these updates both on our social media and directly with you. We also take detailed pre-shipment photos. Once packing is complete, we coordinate shipping, export documentation, and customs clearance, keeping you updated at every stage. After-sales support is always available, including technical guidance, spare parts, and rapid solutions for any site issues or variations. Finally, once your goods arrive, our team follows up proactively, seeking feedback, supporting your site installation, and continually optimizing our service based on your needs. This end-to-end process ensures your project is smooth, transparent, and successful at every step. While our process is designed for reliability, we also understand clients may have concerns. Let me address those next. Next, let's look at common client concerns and how KE addresses each one. We understand color and material matching is essential, so we always send samples for your confirmation before production. To ensure logistics transparency, we provide real-time shipment tracking and all export documentation. For easier installation, we offer factory pre-assembly and reinforced packaging. Having covered both challenges and solutions, let's revisit what makes KE truly stand out, our core values and unique advantages. What makes KE different? KE have 14 years of export experience, fast and flexible service, factory pre-assembly, and full tracking through logistics. We offer durable products, rapid after-sales response, and a team known for efficient communication and transparency. To make things clearer for our partners, here are answers to some frequently asked questions. To help you understand our processes, here are answers to frequently asked questions about assembly, installation, delivery, certification, and after-sales support. To demonstrate our track record, let me share some reference projects and client feedback. We have completed projects for builders, contractors, and developers in Australia, New Zealand, the US, and other markets. Our clients value our reliability, product quality, and strong project support. Upon request, we can provide detailed project references or client testimonials. That brings us to the end of our presentation. I'd like to thank you for your attention and share our contact details if you have any further questions. Before we wrap up, I'd like to thank you again for your attention and interest in KE Kitchen Cabinets. We hope this presentation has given you a clear understanding of our company and services. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or phone. We look forward to working with you.